I don't know. It's some big dog, I could tell you that. Try tearing the bag a little bit. Tear the bag if you have to. Here. When I say tear the bag, I mean from here.
Where?
Okay, grab the other side. Ready?
Go.
Ugh. Wow. Yes, he is. Ugh. There you go. Stand him up next to you. Oh, you took his head off.
Come on.
There we go. He's a cool dog.
I love him.
What's his name?
Ken?
Ken. Okay.
I'm sitting on him.
Are you happy?
Yeah, can I open him?
No. You tell your uncle when he gets here that you love him and thank you for the big dog.